Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a pricing section in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website that you want to add a pricing section on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to add a pricing section, it's simple. Just click on add section. As you see, there is no pricing section template I can select from, so I will create a blank section in order to have this white space. Then I will use this widget website or tools website called Common Ninja in order to create my pricing table. So go to commonninja.com, then click on widgets, and here search for pricing, and you will see two widgets, pricing tables and pricing slider. For this video, we will use the pricing tables widget. Now click on create a pricing table. And now let's start designing our pricing table. As you see, there is two pricing plans. You can add a new one from here. And to customize this pricing table, just click on any cell, they call them cell, click on edit cell, and this slide in window will slide in. And this window will slide in order to edit this cell content from here. The styles from here, for example, the cell background, typography, spacing, borders, and so on. And also this tooltip feature is available only for premium members. For this video here, or you can get this pricing table for free with Common Ninja. We will see this later. Below the first cell, you have the pricing cell. Just click on it. Here, fill in the price, the currency, the suffix, which is per month. You can also delete a cell if you want to. Just click on this bin icon, and as you see, it was deleted. Here you can, for this button or the plan button, click on edit cell. You can edit the plan button or the buy now button text, and also the link. And you can also add a new cell below the buy now button, and then click on edit, and you can edit the text here. Now, how to after designing your pricing table, how to publish it on your Hostinger website site. Just click on save changes, select where you want to save it. My first project, click on save, and as you see, my free current plan allows only one widget. So I will go back to my projects, delete this widget, which is my calendar, delete, confirm, and now let's work on projects, or let's go back, create my my widget from scratch. Where is create a widget, search for pricing, this is it. Let's say this is my final design. Click on save, select a project. Your widget is ready. Simply copy and paste the code to your website. Click on copy code button. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders, and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Your widget is ready. Simply copy and paste the code to your website. Click on copy code button. Head back to Hostinger website builder. Click on elements. Scroll down to the bottom. Copy or drag this embed code element and drop it here. Click on enter code. Delete this existing code and paste your one. Click on embed code. And just like that, your pricing table will show up just like that. Don't forget to update your website to publish these pricing table online. Let's view my website live. And this is how to add a pricing section in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.